Well, after a day at Dublin, the Prime Minister will leave for New York. It will be Prime Minister's second visit to the United States. And as before, investment and bilateral ties are high on agenda. In New York, Modi will address a UN Sustainable Development Summit and participate in a summit on peacekeeping being hosted by the US President Barack Obama. The Prime Minister will also meet several world leaders. Dinner with a number of Fortune 500 companies to attract investment into India is also on the itinerary. The highlight of the visit will be Modi's trip to the Silicon Valley. On day 3 of his visit, Modi will travel to the West Coast, where he will visit Facebook headquarters for a town hall Q&A with CEO Mark Zuckerberg. He will also visit Google campus and Tesla Motors. On Sunday, Modi will interact with the Indian diaspora in San Jose.
Some 150 heads of states will be in one of America's most happening cities, New York, over the next few days to attend the 70th session of the United Nations General Assembly. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives here on Wednesday evening, and just right behind me is the legendary Waldorf Astoria Hotel, where he's going to stay till the 25th before he flies off to San Jose to be in Silicon Valley as the first Indian Prime Minister to, of course, interact with the Indian and American techies out there. He will be crisscrossing, of course, and coming back all the way to New York for his bilaterals with Barack Obama on the 28th of September. But what is interesting is that this hotel is going to house some 16 heads of states, not just Narendra Modi, but also his Pakistani counterpart Nawaz Sharif. And while there is no official bilateral meeting between the two which has been scheduled, this is a large hotel though. There is an Astoria side to it and there are the tower side to it. So we'll have to wait and watch really if there will be an occasion for the paths to cross as far as these two leaders are concerned. And if it does, will they maybe exchange that momentary smile or a handshake? But clearly there's a lot of activity here in New York, especially with all powerful leaders including Xi Jinping of China, to, of course, Nawaz Sharif, to all the others being in America. Narendra Modi had that historic visit, of course, on his first American visit last year. Pope Francis is also going to be in New York and organizing a mass at the Madison Square Garden, the very place where Narendra Modi addressed that strong Indian diaspora last year. Here in New York with video journalist Ashok Bhanot, this is Smita Sharma for India Today.